Hello everyone, and I know in some of my videos I've been showing the using the 524/2 Ikonta made by Zeiss, and but I haven't really gone over finally of using it. So I'm taking a few minutes today and going to do that. It's a very simple camera. Right here is the push button, which opens up the camera. Now, unlike the isolates and stuff like that that had paper bellows, this has a lot nicer bellows on it. It's I would say it's a leather bellows, and it's a 6x9. Get out of here. It's a 6x9. It uses 120 film, but being that it's 6x9, it will only shoot 8 frames on a 120 film, to where like on an isolate it's a 6x6 and you get 12, so you get more for your money. But if you're doing landscapes, these are great cameras to use. And it's got your aperture settings up here. It goes up to 22, goes from 3.5 up to 22. So it'd also be good for any kind of photos. If you want to take people photos, on the street photos, be great. And you turn this dial here to set the speed. The speed goes from, it has bulb, and it goes from 1 up to 300. So it has a pretty good selection of speeds. It does have a push button to release the shutter. Mine I've got to redo. It's kind of out of sort here, so I usually reach underneath here, right here, and trip the shutter when I'm taking pictures. It's convenient for me. Now I don't have to go in here and it's kind of out of its position there for the button. So that's a 5-minute fix, but I haven't taken the time to do it. Here it has Uncoupled Rangefinder. So here is where you look through and see, and then you make your adjustment on this knob here to get your focus. So on the landscapes I'm doing right now, it's the mountains and stuff like that, so everything's pretty much to infinity. But if I was doing portraits or something like that, you know, I'm not going to be using infinity. Here's your setting for your ASA right here, and it also is your film take up after you shoot the exposure. To open it up, got a little button here. You push it up, and the back will pop open, and you can put your film in. So it's as simple as any other little folding camera as far as putting film in. I will do a separate video when I get some film here and putting some in and showing you how easy it is to put the film in. Here is your counter. So when you take your picture, you can wind it and you'll see the number change here. Or when you're putting your film in, you'll see it going through its process to get to film number 1. This is your viewfinder for when you want to take a picture. It has a cold shoe to where you could put flash on there, and right here is where you could plug in the flash. So it's got everything you need. It's a very nice camera. It's a heavy camera. And it's a very, like I say, 6x9, it makes it great for taking landscapes. Trying to think here if there's anything else I'm leaving out. When you shut it, you push here and here, and it closes it up. It's got your portrait stand here. It's also got a tripod mount here and here. And I think I've pretty much covered everything. So if you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, it'd be greatly appreciated. And take a subscription if you haven't already to the channel. We'll try to do some more film photography with the Ikonta 524/2 and show you some pictures that we take with it. I'm going to start doing some color photography with it, but I have to send those off because I'm not prepared in this small space to do the color photography, color developing. So hopefully I didn't miss anything. Maybe if I did, we will pick it up when I show a video on installing some film, when I get some film out. So I don't know if you can see Freddie back there. He's taking it easy. Gets scared when I get all this equipment out. But so anyway, that's it for the Ikonta 524. And so again, remember to take that subscription so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Ring that bell. So that's it for this video. Grab your camera, some film, get out and take some pictures. It's summertime. Great time. Of course, right here it's running about 102 degrees during the afternoon, so we get out in the morning and try to get out in the evening. I should be getting out here pretty soon, but probably won't. Got to feed the dog, get my dinner, and get ready to load some film. See you in the next video.